Growing up is creeping on me. I'm exactly where I wanna be. Now the lies I tell myself while I'm going through my personal hell. Invest in your hobbies, then you start to finally feel free. Why does life feel like it's happened when we're still